Okay, let's check out the media system. So I'm going to go to Media and then File System. In Drupal 7, I'll go to Configuration, and under Media, I'll click File System. So a couple of big changes here. The public file system path and private file system path, which used to be editable configuration in Drupal 7, are now only editable in the settings.php file. This is probably a good thing for security purposes. The base URL here can also be modified in settings.php, but the fact that it's listed here is helpful. Sometimes it can be hard for new users to figure out where exactly files are uploaded to. The final difference is the setting for delete orphaned files after. By default, Drupal will track which files are associated with which pieces of content, and when those pieces of content get removed, the file becomes orphaned and it can also be deleted. I wasn't able to track down exactly how this happened in Drupal 7, but the time it took to delete the orphaned files was something that was not user configurable. My best guess is that they were deleted instantaneously. So by setting it to something like 6 hours, you give a little bit of a buffer between the deletion of the content and the deletion of the files. And you can also set this to never if you want to make sure that orphaned files still stick around.